Thank you so much. Back to the School of Nursing that you're yet to establish it as School of Health Sciences. When do the intake normally happen for the students who want to join the school for these courses that you're offering?
For nursing, currently the Nursing Council of Kenya has approved us for one intake per year.
Okay.
That is March every year. But we've applied. In fact, they are supposed to come for inspection so that we can be allowed to be taking twice a year.
Okay.
And that's the standard with most. I think it's because we are new. So most nursing schools, they take twice a year. That is March and September. So hopefully, probably from next year, we'll be having 2 intakes because the demand is there. And most of these other courses like perioperative theater technology, the community health, the programs, the healthcare assistant, majority are from the community.
Sure, very nice.
They really support us. They come from within. And that has also helped to build that good relationship with the community.
Wow, thank you so much. I hear that the entire institution has everything for everyone, be it education, be it the services from the hospital, and we are so grateful.
Yeah, and Charity, just to add on to the education bit,
yes,
we are also accredited to train surgeons. Yes, COSEXA.
Within the same school?
Yes, here at PCEA Kikuyu Hospital, where instead of going directly to a university, you can come here to Kikuyu Hospital and be trained and become a surgeon, general surgeon, or orthopedic surgeon.
So it's open for everyone?
Yes.
Ama, you have
if
to start
qualified.
now from the school?
No. It has nothing to do with the School of Nursing. It's totally different.
It accommodates everyone from
Yes, now this is medical, purely medical for surgeons. So we train. We train. Currently, we have several students.
Yes, a course for how long? How long is the duration?
It takes 2 years up here, and then when you want to specialize, 5 years.
And you're given a certificate?
Yeah. In fact, it's just like a university.
Okay.
And you'll even be licensed by the KMPDC, Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council.
Which is the regulatory.
Yes, they recognize. And we are really grateful.
Tuko na mambo mazuri hivi.
Tuko na mambo mazuri na ndio sababu naambia watu tumetoka mbali tunaenda mbali.
Sure.
We've also applied for COEXA. COEXA is for training ophthalmologists.
Okay.
So they came, the body that regulates has inspected the hospital and recommended certain things we need to do for them to come again, confirm they are done, and then we can be accredited. So that's ongoing. So we want now to be a training and referral hospital.
That is so amazing.
Yes, fully. Like now we're actually training and referral. But now we want to expand the trainings so that we train different cadres of healthcare workers. Yes. Yeah.
That is so nice. That is amazing. Keep up the great work.
Thank you.
And may God bless you so much.
Thank you.
Asante sana. Okay, thank you so much. Tuko karibu kumalizia. I'm interested to know, how would an institution survive with a good name over years? Because honestly speaking, I haven't heard of scandals, and hospital with the scandals hazikosangi, but I thank God. Fortunately, I haven't met one. I haven't encountered any scandal with Kikuyu PCEA Hospital. How lucky are you?
Thank you, Charity. I will say it's God's grace.
Yes.
Okay. They say everything rises and falls with leadership. So it depends on how leadership behaves up there at the top, because you set the tone. Okay. If you want scandals to be there, they'll be there.
You can create them.
You can create them. But here at PCEA Kikuyu Hospital, we are an open book. What you see is what you get. So we are transparent. We are honest. We are people of integrity. You look at our core values,
I can see them here.
Christ-centeredness. Yeah, you can see them here. Christ-centeredness. So, and what we try to do, not that if you go to church, you are a person of integrity, honest, or that kind of stuff, but we ensure every staff we employ must come with a letter from their spiritual leader or from their church, just to confirm, yes, this person is a person of faith, is a person who can interact well. Even if you are not PCA,
Oh, yes.
you still have the same beliefs of PCA. So when we do that, you find that issue of scandals is kind of, you can't say eliminated 100%, but it's minimized. So yes, we thank God for that. I wouldn't say we are lucky, but it's God's grace.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much.